Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a special video how to access your Google Drive folders using Google Colaboratory. So to do this, you have to upload some folders on your Google Drive and access from your Google Colab. To access any folders or files from your Google Drive using Google Colaboratory, you have to write this code from google.colab input drive and drive mount, and this will import Google Drive modules to access the Google Drive folders, and this is the options to mount your Google Colaboratory data with your Google Drive. So to do this, you have to run these sections, and it will access to your Gmail account to get a authorization code. After giving the authorization code, you will get mounted the drive folders or other things from your Google Drive, and then you will see the codes or data from your Google Drive. So to do this, I have to open the Google Drive now, and here this is a Google Drive folder from my drive using test, and I will upload it using Google mount option using Google Edit. So I'm seeing this is the folder, test folder and train folder, and then you have to go to Google Colab, and I open the Google Colaboratory and see there's some data set here. This is a sample data set, and after running this code, I will see you some folders already will be uploaded from Google Drive to run on Google Colaboratory. After running this code, you will get the link to get your authorization code to get access on your Google Drive, and after running this, you will see and copy the, after allowing all options, and you will get the authorization code and copy this code and paste here and get mounted. And after this, I will show you that there are a lot of folders in the Google Drives, and this is the train test and it, and then run related parameters or related tools on your Python deep learning or machine learning base code, and go to next sections to run there. After installing, everything will be installed, and here this location of our train test folder from Google Drive will be already mounted with our Google Colaboratory. To run this, just copy the path from Google. This is the options to copy the path. Just copy path and paste there. After paste here, Google, and then the BCG model, but in the deep learning serial classified model, and then we will show these codings. I will discuss later about different types of coding based on the machine learning, deep learning to classify something, so text, video, audio, images, or other things. This is the basic model, and after running this code, you will show the model summary, and this is the training, testing, data generation for training and testing. That location from Google Drive will access our folder. After running this training section, test section, you get the data. Actually, this data already run on the local machine, get accuracy 94.36, and the main advantage of Google Drive is it will give you some advantage of GPU, CPU. You will get the proper runtimes, the Python 3, Python 2, GPU, CPU, GPU, investigated that. So I hope you understand how to run code on Google Colaboratory and how to access your Google Drive folders on Google Colaboratory to be mounted, and how, and to run the code or from Google Drive using Google Drive data and text or others information from the Google Drive, because every Google Drive uploading will be deleted after running the program or after the session. If you upload your folder on Google Drive and run code every times, and your folder will not be deleted. Just give me the permissions and access your Google Drive folders and run your code and get the result and save your time. Thank you everyone. If you like my video, just do subscribe, and if you think this video will be benefited, then share with your friends, and do subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to get new notifications of our channel's video. Thank you everyone.